Judge blocks Trump administration's FTC reshape. What this means. Imagine a world where the government can fire top officials without any valid reason, simply because they don't align with the current administration's agenda. This is exactly what happened when the Trump administration fired two Federal Trade Commission, FTC members, Rebecca Slaughter and Alvaro Bedoya, in March. But here's where it gets interesting. A Washington, D.C.-based federal judge has just ruled against the Trump administration, stating that these firings were indeed without cause. The FTC, created over a century ago, was designed to be an independent body of experts that regulates economic competition. To prevent political interference, Congress made it clear that commissioners can only be removed for inefficiency, neglect of duty, or malfeasance in office. In other words, there needs to be a solid reason for their removal. U.S. District Court Judge Loren Ali Khan noted that the law on removing FTC commissioners is crystal clear. As a result, the court granted Slaughter's motion for summary judgment and denied the defendant's cross-motion. But what does this mean exactly? It means that the Trump administration's attempt to reshape the FTC by firing these two members has been blocked. And this is the part most people miss. This ruling has significant implications for the future of the FTC and its ability to operate independently. The fact that the judge ruled in favor of Slaughter, a Democratic appointee, raises important questions about the limits of executive power. Some might argue that the Trump administration had every right to fire these commissioners, while others see this as a clear overstep of authority. But here's the thing. The law is on the side of the FTC commissioners. The U.S. Supreme Court has one remaining emergency application related to a Trump executive action, which involves the removal of 3 members of the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC. This case, too, raises important questions about the role of independent agencies in our government. So what do you think? Should the executive branch have the power to fire independent agency officials without cause? Or is this a clear abuse of power? Let us know in the comments. As we delve deeper into this issue, it becomes clear that the stakes are high. The independence of agencies like the FTC is crucial for ensuring that our economy operates fairly and that consumers are protected. The Trump administration's actions in this case have sparked a heated debate about the role of politics in our government agencies. And this is not just a partisan issue. It's a matter of ensuring that our government operates in a fair and transparent manner. So let's keep the conversation going. Do you think the Trump administration's actions were justified? Or do you see this as a clear attempt to undermine the independence of the FTC? Share your thoughts and let's explore this issue further.